Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. My name is Salman Ubaidillah. This is my achievements from campus. I am this time I am explanation front end, back end, and A.P.I. Content is front end, back end, and A.P.I. In the first part, explanation front end. 1. Definition of front end. Website front end is the section that fetches the public. It's made up of the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTTP allows URLs to display the front end properly. 2. How the front end works. Basically, the way the front end works is to make sure the website or application can be seen properly by user. They have information to internet with website or application comfortably. 3. Request abilities. The skills or expertise needed to become a front-end are the basic skill of the three programmers language, namely is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. 4. When do front-end work? Front-end will start doing his work when the UI design has finished the design. If there are no changes, the design that are usually uploaded via sketch will be directly applied by the front end to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The second part is a back end. The second part is expansion back end. Sorry. 1. Definition of a backend. Backend development, also often called server-side development, server-side, or backend development is everything that refers to the application server part and everything that communication between the database and the browser. 2. How the backend works. The backend developer in charge of accessing a website or application can run as a sole. Based on the tasks, a backend must be able to assure that all system contained in the website or application can run properly. They also have to think various risks that can occur at any time. 3. Required abilities. Backend developer must also be an expert in programming language which will later appear on the website or application server. The most widely used backend programmer are Ruby, Python, and PHP. 4. When do backend work? Later, the designers that have been moved by front end will manage it by the back-end team, and back-end will later design the first interface that will be executed by site or application. They have heavy responsibility because they solve the logical error in every instruction they have made. The third part is A.P.I. The third part is expression A.P.I. What is A.P.I? A.P.I stands for Application Programmer Interface. A.P.I itself is interface that connects one application with another application. A.P.I Architecture RPC. RPC is a technology make communication between silent client set and server set possible with a simple concept. There are two types of RPC, namely XML RPC and JSON RPC. As the name implies, XML RPC uses the XML format as data transfer medium, while a JSON RPC uses the JSON for data transfer. SOAP. Another IP executor is a SOAP, or a Simple Objective Access Protocol. This architecture uses XML, or Extendable Markup Language, which allow all data to be stored in document. 3. REST. REST, or Representational State Transfer, is an A.P.I architecture that is quite popular due to its ease of use. No need for long coding to use it. REST uses at its data from, so it's like the performance of the application also becomes better. Next, A.P.I makes requests to servers. Once the application has successfully accessed the A.P.I address, the request be forwarded to the airline server. So the A.P.I will tell you that Traveloka request flag data for the dates and destination that have been mentioned. Next, server respond to A.P.I. When it's been data that matches the request, the server again contacts the A.P.I. The data is in the form of information such as seat availability, departure time, and order. Next, API delivering response to application. Next, the API sends information from the server to your application. In this example, Traveloka will get information obtained from the contacted airline. This process takes place in conjunction with requests to other airlines. Therefore, in one search, Traveloka can display flag saldos from various airlines at once. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe and like my channel in here. Thank you for attention. Enjoy the video. Syukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.